First off, we want to thank everyone for coming down here today. And I think, Betsy, who's going to start, the mayor? So we'd like to start with a few words from Mayor Dean Mazzarella, and then we'll take it from there.
Well, it's a beautiful day, a little nippy, but that's okay, right? So we'll all talk real fast. How's that? And you can go back inside. Anyway, congratulations. Building, I didn't go in. Usually I try to take a sneak peek, but I was really excited about this building, so I waited for it to be done so I could check it out. It makes it more exciting, right? And so when everybody came in to see us and we had our first development review meeting, we're all really excited, and all the different departments within the city said, whatever it takes to get it done, we want to be a partner in it. And projects like this today, communities around the state and New England and the country, everything's very competitive today. And communities that once didn't want economic development, wanted to remain as small bedroom communities, are now stepped up to the plate. They want to compete. They want to locate businesses for a whole lot of reasons. One being tax dollars, but jobs and a multiplier that comes with it, because you build a building like this with good employees and who are technical and educated, and they spend money in the area, so it does have that multiplier. And beyond all that, this is a company that's been here for a long time. It's been here in the city of Leominster, and for us, we know the owners, and we know the developers of the project that actually built it, and the subcontractors. And again, that's the whole multiplier that you get from a project like this. So we're really excited, and congratulations on this. It came out better than I thought it possibly could. So now we just need to get you inside. So congratulations. Nice job. Looks awesome.
To Mr. Rudy.
I guess I'm next. So on behalf of the three managing partners of Process Cooling Systems, I want to thank everyone for coming again today, and to help us open up our new manufacturing facility and corporate headquarters. For those of you who don't know, my name's Ted Rudy, and I'm one of the three partners and president of Process Cooling Systems. My partners, Dave Dufresne and Dave Doucette, will tell you I over-prepare for everything, and this is no different. But for once in my lifetime, I decided to wing it a little bit. So first off, I'm going to say that we formed a partnership 15 years ago when we purchased Process Cooling, and a lot of people said that a three-way partnership would never work. Well, I think the building behind me will prove a lot of those people wrong. Next, I want to thank my wife, Laura, because without her support over the last 40-plus years, I wouldn't be here, and Dave would have had to do this on their own. Yeah. So anyways, Dave and Dave have a friendly disagreement about who was employee number 1 and number 2. I don't get involved in the discussion because I didn't come till about 10 years later. But they've been here since the transition of the company from O'Prey and Sons Refrigeration in, I think, 1982 to Process Cooling, what you see here today. I remember when I first told people that I was leaving my job at a Fortune 500 company to come to work for a small regional process water company in Leominster. They all thought I was crazy, but I had used Process Cooling for a couple facilities that I had put up, and I could see the potential for Process Cooling to become a business that would succeed to the point where we have systems located not only across North America, but also South America, Europe, and as far away as Fiji. In 2004, my partners and I purchased Process Cooling, and we were able to expand the business through the help of a lot of our employees. If it wasn't for them, we wouldn't be here today. This new facility is in part a thank you to all of them. We need more manufacturing space. We needed more manufacturing space and office space, but more importantly, we needed a work environment that would allow us to attract the next generation of employees, both skilled trades and engineers, to continue the growth at Process Cooling. Along with that, we wanted to provide our existing employees a work environment that provided a real lunchroom, locker rooms, enough parking, and adequate room to provide a safe and efficient manufacturing work environment. Along with our employees, there are a lot of people who helped us to get the business where it is today. And even though we're here to focus on the building, one group that I would like to publicly thank is Spectrum Machinery. Back when I started at Process Cooling, I told the previous owner the only way I would come to work for him is if he hired a rep agency in New England. So he hired Spectrum Machinery, and they have been with us ever since. They have been a great partner and a big part of our success. I would also like to thank our accountant, Shepard and Goldstein, specifically Carl Goldstein and his sledgehammer, for his financial guidance and his resolve in convincing us we could afford this new building. Our attorney, Tom Mullaney of Mullaney & Lunn, that not only helped us with the land purchase and building project, but guided us through the purchase of the business 15 years ago. I'd like to thank the developers of the park, Jim Whitney and Barry Cassimi, the town of Leominster, especially the mayor, and the city council for putting together a tax incentive financing agreement for us to expand here in Leominster. The North Central Chamber of Commerce that helped us move the project forward and connected us with Mass Econ, an organization that helps assist companies like us looking to expand in Massachusetts and companies that are looking to move in from or relocate here. The state of Massachusetts I'd like to thank because they came through with an economic development incentive that helped with the financing package for the building. AHP Architects, the designer of the building, the general contractor, Construction Dynamics, and all the subcontractors that worked on the building. IC Credit Union, who put together a financing package that made this facility a reality. And last but not least, my business partner, Dave Doucette, because without his effort, we wouldn't be standing here today. So I'll pass it over to the chamber now, and thank you very much.
Hi, everyone. My name is Roy Nascimento. I have the honor and privilege of serving as the President and CEO of the North Central Massachusetts Chamber of Commerce. And I want to start off by thanking you for this incredible investment that you made in our community and in North Central Massachusetts. Process Cooling has been a longstanding member of the Chamber, very active in the community. They could have gone anywhere in the state, anywhere in New England or the country. I know they were probably recruited by other states, and they selected Leominster, and they selected North Central Massachusetts, and we are incredibly grateful for that, for the investment that you're making in our community, and I want to acknowledge that and thank you for this incredible investment and the jobs that are being created here. And I also want to acknowledge and thank everyone that helped make this project possible. There were so many people involved in this. Jim Whitney in creating this incredible park. Thank you for your efforts. The local contractors, thank you for using local businesses. As a chamber president, that really warms my heart to hear that you're using local businesses, so we appreciate that. And thank you to IC Credit Union. I saw Bruce earlier for the financing. It's great to see a local financial institution that was able to provide the financing for this project. So thank you, IC Credit Union. So thank you to the city as well for being very pro-business and helping this project move forward and being so business-friendly. And again, it's great to see this project happen. Another success story for Leominster and for North Central Massachusetts. So congratulations, guys, and we thank you for everything.
There's a certain way to do this.
Okay. Okay, so who's cutting? Dave? I think that's appropriate since you put the most time in on the building. Okay.
Tell me when. 10, 5, 3, 2, 1. All right.
All right.
We've got a little citation here for you. Basically, it says what I just said. We just want you to have something to hang on your fresh, new, beautiful walls.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for investing in Leominster.
Okay.
Maybe you could just spend, we have Access TV here, and
yeah,
they put some really good programming together. Maybe somebody could just explain sort of a little bit about the business so people would understand. Process Cooling, people might not really fully understand exactly what you do. So.
Okay, you want to go?
Sure.
Okay, so Process Cooling Systems, we're pretty much a design-build contractor for industrial process cooling systems. A big portion of our business is in the plastics industry, but we also do heat treat, some food processing. But everything we do is process related. So we build the cooling tower systems, the chill water systems that you see that support almost any type of manufacturing out there. So pretty much in a nutshell, that's it.
And you operate all over the country?
Oh yeah, no, we definitely we're kind of unique in this industry because we do installations along with providing the equipment and engineering, and we do most of the installations using all of our own people right here from Leominster, and we also have a satellite shop down in Spartanburg, South Carolina.
And how many people work for the company?
Dave, about 65 right now, and we're expecting to add on as soon as possible. I mean, we didn't have room in the other building to expand, but we're looking for a couple engineers, some manufacturing people, some
service techs.
service type, yeah, pipe fitters. So we're looking for everybody. So anybody out there that's interested, give us a call.
Thank you. Chamber, you have a separate ribbon?
We do, yeah.
Okay.
We're going to keep cutting ribbons all morning, so.
Oh, they got their own.
Oh, it's the green. Okay.
Anybody else have a ribbon? We'll cut that too.
Want to hold it?
Yeah, get over here, Roy.
Yeah, it'd be a shame if it didn't cut, huh?
They keep getting bigger.
All right, here we go.
right,
1,
we're ready.
2, 3.
All right. Nice job.
All right, so hey, we'd like to invite everyone inside for a